You'll find yourself further than you ever imagined. Maybe like Joseph, you're in that time of testing now, wondering why these unfair things have happened, why these doors have closed, why it's taking so long. God has not forgotten about you. He sees you doing the right thing when it's hard. He sees you praising when you could be complaining. He sees you at work being your best and not getting the credit. He sees the lonely nights, those tears from what's breaking your heart, but you're still serving, still giving, still being good to people. You are proving to God that you can handle the blessing. Thoughts will whisper, "It's never going to work out." No, your time is coming. The scripture says, when you have passed the test, you will receive the victor's crown of life. Victory is coming. Favor is coming. You've been struggling a long time. Ease is coming. God is about to shift some things. Like with Joseph, He's going to take you from the background to the foreground. It's going to happen suddenly. A shift from borrowing to lending, from being stuck to being promoted, from mourning to dancing, from sorrow to joy. That victor's crown is on the way. Now keep being faithful. Keep doing the right thing when you're uncomfortable. You don't understand it. It's not fair. Don't just go through, grow through it. It's doing something on the inside of you. It's getting you prepared for something you've never seen.